Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Knowledge Session. Today I am showing you how to do vendor block in a multiple vendor block. So go to /n xk99, write down the T code xk99 where we do multiple vendor block, enter it, go to selecting tables, check mark it, go to vendor master LFA1, go to fields tab. Now selecting where you want to block the vendor. So I'm checking here, posting block, purchase block and block function. Okay, and then execute it. Go to please note that many objects can be changed simultaneously in mass. Okay, click on it, then enter. Now select your vendor. For selecting vendors, I'm showing you that I created vendors, then after that I block them. Okay, now go to /n xk01 and go to fk01 /n fk01. So I'm selecting my company code and account group XYZ1 and XYZ1. Enter, give a title company name 111 private limited, country IN. I am creating vendors because I need to block them. So I am showing you which vendors I created and which vendors I want to block them. Okay, enter, give a reconciliation account of vendor account, enter, then give cash management group A1, then save it. One vendor I created, vendor 0001000005. Okay, again I am creating another vendor because I am showing you how mass vendors can be blocked. Okay, so I am creating another vendor, company 222 private limited. Let's give a vendor name. Save. Sorry, even save. So another vendor is created. Enter. Again create. I am creating another vendor, company IN. So I am doing very short which vendors I need to block. So I am doing it fast. Okay. So I created 3 vendors. Okay, 111, 222 and 333. So I'm blocking this here. Go to F4, enter, select this, then select here, enter 222 and 333, enter, execute it. Okay, or we can find here. Okay, then execute it. So what we can see here, the options which we had selected. Just simply I need to check mark in all the options. Check mark, check, 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 give here 99, 99, check, 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 99, then save it. Okay, so here we can see you want to save your changes, they will be immediately effect for all. Okay, select that and continue. Okay, after that we can see changes have been made, this notification we can see. So after that what we do, we go to /n fb60 for seeing the impact it or not. Give a company code XYZ1. I am giving here my vendor, enter 111 is my vendor, and giving a invoice date, give a amount 10,000 and give a text purchase invoice. And then simulate it. So now we can see account this XYZ1 is blocked for posting. So we can see our posting is blocked here. For another company 222, again this one is also blocked. 3, this one is also blocked, we can see. So how we can block multiple vendors in a single process. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe it.